Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we have a fascinating medical submission. It has to do with these bizarre images. But are they real or fake? We'll give you the answer in a moment, but first let's talk about necrotizing fasciitis. Necrotizing fasciitis is a serious bacterial skin infection that spreads quickly and kills the body's soft tissue. Unfortunately, necrotizing fasciitis can be deadly in a very short amount of time. Accurate diagnosis, prompt antibiotic treatment, and surgery are important to stopping this infection. Although the media commonly calls it a flesh-eating infection, more than one type of bacterium can cause this rare disease. Here are the main offenders. Public health experts consider Group A strep to be the most common cause. Infections from Group A strep bacteria are generally mild and are easily treated, but in cases of necrotizing fasciitis, bacteria spread quickly once they enter the body. They infect the fascia, connective tissue that surround the muscles, nerves, fat, and blood vessels. The infection also damages the tissues next to the fascia. Sometimes toxins made by the bacteria destroy the tissue they infect, causing it to die. When this happens, the infection is very serious, and those infected can lose limbs or die. Let's get back to the images in question. It turns out that they are real. The real deal. The doctor associated with the case states that he is a 51-year-old with shoulder pain. ER took an x-ray, which turned out normal. The patient was told to follow up with his primary care physician for an MRI of the shoulder if still painful after 48 hours. Then that same night, the patient developed severe pain and fever. He was found to have necrotizing fasciitis, and he was taken directly to the operating room for removal of the affected skin. This serves as a reminder how important it is to take care of your skin. In a moment, we'll tell you a little about our favorite pimple popper kit, which includes a free pair of gloves. But first, click that subscribe button for new medical videos every week. Our mission is to provide educational and informative medical cases like this. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to get an extractor kit of your own, we did some looking around and came up with this one. It's compact, has steel instruments that won't corrode like a lot of the cheaper sets, but the price is very reasonable too. Good variety of tools and just an all-around solid kit. Use the Amazon link below and it ships quickly from the US. So you won't have to wait long before you start popping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. We've got new content all the time.